Thank you. Thank you, my friends and neighbors and kinfolk and my fellow Americans. Now, I have told you this before, but I'm going to tell you again. I have a mission that I hold sacred to perform in the Southland. When I was 15-year old, I come down barefoot out of them red clay hills. Why? Because God called on me to execute this mission. And what is this mission? Well, I told you this before, but I'm going to tell you again. It's to shield from pollution a blood that is not only sacred to me, but is sacred to Him. Now, who is the colored man's best friend in the Southland? That's right, it's me, Tom Finley, so recognized by both races. But now, I cannot condone or accept or tolerate this threat to the blood pollution. Now, you all know, I had no part in a certain operation performed on an unfortunate young black gentleman. Now, I call that incident a deplorable thing. It is the one thing about which I am in total agreement with the Northern Radical press. It was a deplorable thing. However, I understand the emotion that lay behind it, the passion to protect by this violent emotion something we all hold sacred, the purity of our blood. But you know I had no part in that operation performed on that unfortunate young black gentleman who was caught prowling the midnight streets of our fair city. All right now. You all have a good night, yeah? God bless y'all. Thank you.